Hi there, my name is Christine. I am the founder of Ms. Persen's Room on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of my Build a Christmas Tree Composite Shapes activity. So this activity is made for Google Slides, so please ensure that Teachers Pay Teachers is able to access your Google Drive in order to import files to your drive. This activity is specifically made for Google Slides, so you can assign it to your students via Google Classroom or whatever learning management system you're able to upload Google Slides to. Inside the resource, you will find not only the cover page, but how to use this resource, an example that I've created just for you, so please be sure to delete before giving to students, student directions, a creation space, a slide where students are able to type in information regarding their Christmas tree in an area formula. The basic premise of this activity is that students will use shapes from the Shapes feature in Google Slides to create a Christmas tree. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. If I go into my Design a Christmas Tree creation space, Google Slides has a feature where I can click to insert a shape. Now, just to keep it simple for this tutorial, I'm going to click on my rectangle and insert a rectangle shape into the slide. Now later on I can go back and color this shape whatever I want. I can put little decorations on it, but right now I'm just going to leave it as a rectangle. So I have this handy dandy ruler along the bottom, and I'm going to drag the shape down to the ruler and I'm going to measure the length. I see that it's almost exactly 2 inches. So I go to my Design a Christmas Tree space here, and my first shape is a rectangle. So I will type rectangle into the space. And then down here, I will type in my measurements. So I found that the length of my rectangle was about 2 inches. Now this part's really important. So I can go back to my rectangle, click on it, and when I click on it, I see a small little blue circle appears. And when I hover over it, my cursor makes a plus sign. When I click and drag, I can change the rotation of my shape. So now I can measure the width of my rectangle. And when I measure the width, I find that it's almost exactly 1.5 inches. So I go back to my space where I can record measurements. I will type in width and 1.5 inches. From there, I can calculate the area of my rectangle, which is what the area formulas are useful for. Students can then go back, they can adjust the shape, they can rotate it back, they can make it sit however they like, they can decorate it in order to build their Christmas tree. This activity is designed so that students will need at least 3 shapes in order to create their tree. You can easily make it more by clicking the Design a Christmas Tree slide, double-clicking or right-clicking, and then clicking Duplicate Slide so that you have 2 slides and students can create even more with more shapes. Thank you for your purchase, and just another friendly little reminder, please make sure Teachers Pay Teachers has access to your Google Drive account in order to fully download this resource. Thanks for your help in supporting my store. I wish you the very happiest holidays.